Okay, so really quickly, we're going to share how to access and use the 4th grade website. So you're going to go to tinyurl.com/EGES4. That's going to take you to our grade levels website. And every day we will update the website with the most recent day's assignment. So if you see here, you have today's assignments, some photos. So for Thursday, you have morning meeting, fun read with Ms. Byers. Those are the 2 meetings we have. And then these are your assignments or activities for the day. Now, you can find our office hours for each teacher, hours when they're available to answer questions. And then here are some links that you can click to be taken to these different websites. So for example, if you were struggling to get to MobyMax, you can click this link and it'll take you right to MobyMax. Already has the school code in it, so you don't have to worry about finding the school code. Wake ID, if anyone needs to figure out how to get to their Wake ID, your student will type in student, they type in their ID number and sign in. If you needed Khan Academy, that link is right there. And if you just want to get to the Wake County website, that link is right there. If you missed the day or you want to see what assignments we previously had this week, just to see what you've been doing, we're going to post all the past assignments down here. And under there are just a few videos on how to access certain materials. So how to log in and access Wake ID and Khan Academy. And you can use that link, but this is how you get onto and log in. There's how to access News ELA. That will be used for science and some reading down the road. And also how to get into Google Classroom and access your assignments. So that's the home page. Up here we have different tabs with different pages on the site. So if you click the morning meeting site link, you can see every morning there's a morning meeting. Now if you're in Mr. Griffin's class or Ms. Byers' class, and it's a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, you can click this link. If it's a Tuesday, Thursday, you click this link. Same thing for Ms. Schoenfeld and Ms. Powell's class. If it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you click this link, and if it's Tuesday and Thursday, you click this link. We did have to go to Google Meet instead of Zoom because of Wake County's privacy practices. However, Google Meet lets us keep the link the same for multiple meetings, so that should make it easier for all of us. Here are the slides for the Positivity Project. It's something we were starting as a school and we were gonna jump into in 4th quarter, but because of our schedule changes, we decided to put it on the website so that you can browse through the slides for the week. This week's Positivity Project is about fairness. And then these are just some other things that we'll be editing as the time goes. Now, we talked with students about online meeting expectations. You can find those here at the bottom. Our kind of social contract for online meetings, because that is how we'll be learning for the foreseeable future. ELA. So on your assignments, you'll see where you can go and find different activities. So when you want to get your ELA activities done, okay, the home page gives you what the activities are. So for example, for ELA, you need to watch and read the Hope Chest, Chapter 3, and answer those discussion questions. So you would go to ELA, because that's on Google Classroom, and you would, if you didn't know how to get to Google Classroom, you can look at the video right here, If not, just go ahead to Google Classroom and go ahead and start that assignment. If you wanted to get the link to the fun read with Ms. Vyers that happens daily at 11 a.m., her link is right here. As we go on and as we get further into our distance learning, there'll be additional ELA links at the bottom of the pages with practice problems, released EOG, things like that. So for your math and science, for math, there's some math resources here. There's a link to the released EOG if you just want to work on some practice problems. There will be different questions that the teachers will go over and some videos and spiral review. Those will be in these spots when we get them. And then these are challenge problems of the day, just something extra for you to work on with your child at home, okay? At the bottom, if anybody needs, there are Dreambox codes, as that is a program that they specifically use for math, so we have it on the math page. Science tab, pretty similar. Once again, the how to access news ELA video, because that's where most of the science activities are, either that or Discovery Education. But Discovery Education can be found in their Wake ID. So every time there's a news ELA reading assigned, be sure to complete the quizzes and the writing activities that go with it. And last but certainly not least, you have your links and resources. So this is just where we're hosting some resources that the county has provided for us. So you have your Wake County COVID-19 updates, the Wake County remote learning website. We specifically link the parent resources. You have a link to the Wake County food distribution sites, as well as the Wake County Twitter feed. And if you click on any of these links, it'll take you directly there. Once we get more resources and information from the school and from the county or state, we will go ahead and continuously update these links and resources. If there's information that you need and you're having trouble finding, please don't hesitate to reach out to anyone on the 4th grade team, and we'll go ahead and get those resources linked for you to the best of our ability. So this is our site. We worked really hard on it, and we're really excited to get distance learning going in full swing. As always, if you have a question, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.